Hey, what's up, y'all? Hopefully y'all can hear me. It's kind of starting to rain out here, so I'm gonna make this video real quick. So this is a 2006 Honda Civic. I had a problem with my air conditioning. It was working fine one day, then the next minute I was driving it and it started blowing hot air. So the next day I come home, I put a can of Freon in it. Got cold, everything was fine. I went and parked it. I didn't drive it for like a day or two, and then the next thing I know, when I try to get in it again, it's blowing hot air again. So, just a real quick thing. One thing y'all want to look for is if you come to the passenger side. Let's see if I can get y'all some good eyes. Down off in here. Down at the bottom, that bottom pull right there where that light is shining. You want to watch for it. There we go. There's a better. That bottom pulley. Right here. This pulley. You're going to start your car. Okay. And turn your air on. Max, high. And you want to make sure to see if that kicks in. And you'll hear it and it'll spin. You'll hear it when it kicks in. If it's not kicking in and your AC is on, what I want you to do is come over to your fuse panel right here, okay? And this relay right here, this is the one you want to take it out and then shake it, which in this case, this is the old one. You see it has 4 prongs. So I know y'all won't be able to hear that, but if you shake it, this one is bad. It has a rattle in it. So the internals are bad, okay? So I went to O'Reilly, and if y'all see, this is a Murray brand 36203. I just went up and just asked for an AC relay. And this is from O'Reilly Auto Parts. So Murray 36203. Take that relay, put it right there. This one right here. Okay. And just some of y'all, just a demonstration. Shoot, I don't have the key out here. Dang it. But anyway, start the car. And then back to this pulley. That pulley should engage. And then, your AC will be blowing cold. So that's one of the most common ways that these things, that the air will go bad. And people will end up spending, $1,500. They take it to a shop, whatever. And that part literally, I just threw the receipt away. That part, this relay, was literally, I think, $11, and that fixed my AC. So, just a quick tip for y'all. Just hopefully that helps somebody, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Holler at y'all later.